that issue we have resolved. Those mothers who had, mainly they had no IDs, and but we made our own internal contingency, and SHA has paid, and we have told the CEO and the current leadership at MTRH that that should not happen again. The question to my former colleague and senior Senator Boni Khalwale, and Senator Boni Khalwale, I will not take the advice of the senator for Nandi, because I'm here to answer questions from senators in either form. Senator Boni Khalwale is also a medical doctor. I think the case you have mentioned first must be a very complicated case of delivery for it to reach that level of 600,000. So that was a very complicated case. And SHA covered 60% of the bill. And this must be very clear. Even during the NHIF, there was no full coverage for NHIF. So SHA will cover the bit that is required by law for SHA to pay. There is nowhere where you have to pay 100%. I mean, even myself talking, I have patients. And if the bill is $1 million, SHA pays 700, then the other 300 is an obligation on the part of the family members and relatives of that patient. So, and I think we did our bit. If I go to Linda Mama, first there's no Linda Mama that exists. A transition was done, a more comprehensive, better Linda Mama is now anchored in SHA. And Honorable Speaker, I said it when I was answering the question. And in the answers that I have given to the Honorable Senators, if you look at it, there's a table. And I'll give you an example. Linda Mama, for level 2 and 3, were paying 2,500. For level 4 and 5 and 6, it was paying 5,000. And in fact, there was no equity. They were paying more for faith-based and private, and less for public. The highest they paid for cesarean was 17,000. Today, under SHA, it's more expanded, more comprehensive. Any delivery that takes place in our country, if you are registered under SHIF, SHA will pay 10,000. From the 2,500 of Linda Mama. So Linda Jamii is paying 10,000. For cesarean, we have moved from 17,000 to 30,000. That is progressive. And it covers comprehensively. For Linda Mama, it was only, Honorable Senators, through the Speaker, it was only for delivery. But for Linda Jamii, it is everything, surgical, anything that that mother and her child will require, even the treatment of post-delivery. Under Linda Jamii is very comprehensive. I have given the data, and you can look at it. 2, it was budgeted, so the budget was not predictive. We inherited 4.2 billion shillings debt of Linda Mama. Today we will not inherit anything. Today we have no bill. Every mother in our country, and about 1.2 million mothers deliver in our country annually. We can give you those who go through SHA. Since SHA inception in October last year, are close to about 690,000. There are many who are delivering maybe at home. There are many who are delivering in private hospitals and paying for themselves. So my senior Honorable Khalwale, this mother could have had a bill of 500K paid, and I'm sure the balance the family will. But I think those are rare cases, are very complicated cases. No more delivery, no more cesarean. You are a doctor. You can do better. Again, on with Honorable Mandago, let me just read the package, the SHA package, benefit package. that covers normal delivery at 10,000, and this package includes